guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper envelope. So let's get started. So for this activity you need a square piece of paper. I'm going to make a yellow envelope, so I'm taking a yellow piece of paper. You can pick any color you wish to take. So the first step is that we have to fold the paper diagonally in both the sides. So I'm folding it from top to bottom this way. And now I'm folding it from this top to this bottom. So the next step is that we should open the paper and we should fold the paper in half in this way. So next step is that we should take one piece of paper from the top and fold it until the tip of the paper touches the bottom part of the paper. So I'm folding it like this. Next step is that we should fold both the two sides here to the bottom middle line. So I folded it in one side and I'm folding it in the opposite side as well. So now we'll see that there's two holes here. We have to put the two papers in the two holes. So now our paper envelope is ready. So for example, I'll take this piece of paper and we can put it here inside the back hole. So our paper envelope is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye.